Here's a quick sneak peek of my newest product, Handmade Box Card Sets. Each box contains 8 cards, 8 envelopes, and 8 matching sentiments. The top card in each set is completed as an example for your reference. There is a clear handmade lid for easy storage. Just line the stars up on the bottom and top and store for next time. Every sentiment has double-sided tape on the back side. Peel off the backing and attach to a card base on a location of your choice. All cards are 4.25 inches by 5.5 inches. They can be horizontal or vertical depending on your preference. The following sentiments are included in this box set. Hello. Hi friend. Always be joyful. Thinking of you. Hold on to hope. Give thanks to the Lord. Choose joy. He will be your peace. These box sets can be found on my website, shellycreates.com, or you can find me at a vending event this fall. As always, my handmade items ship for free, and we can schedule a local pickup.